Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to remove stubborn files in a flash or in a hard drive or any file you're trying to delete and it's not going. You can remove it using a command prompt. Let's jump into the video. We're going to start with go to your search bar, you type cmd, you run it. You can run as an administrator or you just run it like that. You start with a drive letter. In this case, you go to this PC, locate your flash or the external drive. I'm working with a drive letter for this machine. In this particular case is G. So we type in G, we put a colon, we click enter. After that, we type R in capital letters, M T I R. This is put space, then you put open, the inverted commas open. When you open it, you go to your flash, locate the file that you want to delete, the one with file that you're deleting and it's not going. Like in this case, in the case of this video, we are deleting system volume information, so we can just copy the name directly from here. We just copy, or you come here, paste, and we close it, the inverted commas, open and close. We close it, we put a space, we put slash s in small letters, space, slash q, then we take enter. When we take enter, we'll come back to we'll go back to this will appear back. You go back to G. Then when you come now to your flash or external drive or any storage, you discover that the system volume information is not longer there. Thank you very much. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on other social media platforms like Facebook, K Global Tech. You can also follow us on Instagram, K Global Tech. You can follow us on TikTok, K Global Tech, for more information. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that we'll be able to share knowledge and grow together in the tech field.